So this is our only G9 lamp holder that we have, and it has a 10mm threaded entry, and it has the ceramic insert where the G9 bulb actually goes in. I'm not actually going to do it here, but literally just pushes down into that and it secures it permanently. It's very, very difficult to get this back out. So how you would fit it would be, you'd screw this onto the metal all thread or whatever. It's the 10mm all thread on your fitting. That would screw down onto that. The cables come up through the all thread into here, through here. These have got push terminals, so the two cores that go up into this, the live and neutral, it doesn't matter which way round it is, you'd need to ferrule them or solder them to give it a decent amount of strength to just be able to push them in, because it's a one-way push fit terminal. So once you push it in, you basically can't pull it back out again. Once those two cores are fixed, you push this down, all the way down into the lamp holder, and it's secured. One more thing I will show you is this is ordered separately, but we also do a shade ring which fits on this lamp holder, allowing you to secure a suitable shade.